Hello, Jupiter. It's Daddy. Today we're going to sort the blocks by the shape. Sort by shape. Okay, so we're going to look at the block and see what shape it is. You see this block? This block is a long, flat rectangle block. A long, flat rectangle block. So we're going to put it in the long, flat rectangle pile. Okay? This block is a cube. It's got all the same sides and it's square, which makes it a cube. We'll put it in the cube pile. This block is an arch. It's got an arch in it. So this block we're going to put in the arch pile. This block is a little triangle. A little triangle. So we're going to put it in the little triangle part. Okay? Triangle small. This one is a bigger triangle than this one. So we're going to put it in the triangle big pile. Okay? This one is round and long. It's a tall cylinder. So we're going to put it in the tall cylinder pile. Tall cylinder. This one is round, but it's short. So we're going to put it in the short cylinder pile right here. Small cylinder. This block is a rectangle, but it's not as long as the other one. So we're going to put it in the short rectangle pile. Okay? And this block is half a circle. Half a circle is called a semicircle. So we're going to put it in the semicircle block. Semicircle. And this block is a tall square pillar. So we'll put it in the square pillar pile. Okay? Now we have 8 shapes. 10 shapes. 10 shapes. The cube, the arch, the small cylinder, the tall cylinder, the small triangle, the big triangle, the short rectangle, the semicircle, the long flat rectangle, and the square pillar. So we're going to sort the shapes based on those shapes. What shape is this one, Jupiter? It's a long, flat rectangle. Good job. What shape is this one, Jupiter? It's a cube. Good job. It's a cube. Which shape is this one? That's good. It's a long cylinder, a tall cylinder. What shape is this one? It's a short, flat rectangle. Good job. What shape is this one? Is it a big triangle or a small triangle? It's a small triangle. Good job, Jupiter. What shape is this one? It's a long, flat rectangle. What shape is this one? It's a small cylinder. Good job. What shape is this one? It's an arch. Good job, Jupiter. Good job. What shape is this one? It's a half circle or a semicircle. Semicircle. Good job, Jupiter. What shape is this one? It's a big triangle. It's a big one. We'll put it in the big triangle pile. What shape is this one? It's a square pillar. A square pillar. These two are the same shape. What shape are these? They're cubes. They're cubes. Good job, Jupiter. What shape is this one? What shape is this one? It's a short cylinder. A short cylinder or a small cylinder. These two shapes are the same. These two shapes are the same. Which ones are these? They're square pillars. Square pillars. Square pillar. These two shapes, they're the same. They're the same shape. Which ones are they? They're the long flat rectangle. So we'll put them in the long flat rectangle pile. Are these three shapes the same? Yep, they are. They're the same. We have three. 1, 2, 3 small cylinders. So we'll put them in the small cylinder pile. Are these two shapes the same? Yep, they are. They're both small flat rectangles. So we'll put them in the short flat rectangle pile. Okay. Are these two shapes the same, Jupiter? No, they're not the same. Which one is this one on this side, on the left side? The one on the left, the red one, is a short cylinder, or a small cylinder. We'll put it in the small cylinder pile. This one's what kind? It's an arch. It's an arch. Good job, Jupiter. We'll put it in the arch pile. Are these three shapes the same? How many shapes? There's three. A purple one, a red one, and a green one. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes. All the same. We'll put those in the short, flat rectangle pile. Are these two shapes the same? Right, they're not the same. This one on the right-hand side is a yellow arch. So we'll put the yellow arch in the arch pile. This one is a long, flat rectangle. So we'll put it in the long, flat rectangle pile. What shape is this? It's a triangle. Good job, Jupiter. It's a triangle. Is it a big triangle or a little triangle? A big one or a little one? It's a big one. We'll put it in the big one pile. Are these shapes the same? They're the same. Are they, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 square pillars. We'll put the square pillars in the square pillar pile, okay? Are these shapes the same? Are these shapes the same? Yes, they're the same. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes. 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. We'll put them with the other cubes in the cube pile. We can stack the cubes. We can stack the cubes and make them taller. There we go. There's some cubes. Okay. What are these? What shapes are these? Are they all the same? Yes, they're all the same shape. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. We'll put them with the other cubes. Are these shapes the same, Jupiter? Are these shapes the same? Yep, they're the same shape. They're square pillars. And there's 1, 2, 3 square pillars. We'll put those with the other square pillars. Are these shapes the same, Jupiter? Yes, they are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 short, flat rectangles. So we'll put the 5 short, flat rectangles with their friends in the short, flat rectangle pile. That one's getting awfully tall. That one's getting tall. Short, flat rectangles. Are these shapes the same? Are these shapes the same? No, they're not the same. The one on the left is a triangle. Yep, it's a triangle. Good job, Jupiter. We'll put it in the small triangle pile. In this shape, it's a semicircle. Right. We'll put it in the semicircle pile. Good job. Are these two shapes the same, Jupiter? Yep, there's two. There's two. 1, 2 tall cylinders. We'll put the tall cylinders in the tall cylinder pile. Are these two shapes the same? Almost. But this one's a long flat rectangle, and this one's a short flat rectangle. Good job. Are these shapes the same, Jupiter? Yes, they're the same. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 4 cubes. We'll put those with the other cubes. We'll put those with the other cubes. Okay? There's all the cubes. What shape is this one? Good job. It's a cube too. So we'll put it with the rest of them. What shape is this one? It's a long, flat rectangle, Jupiter. Good job. Good job. Are these shapes the same? Are these shapes the same? Almost. This is a small triangle, and this is a big triangle. Good job, Jupiter. We'll put the small triangle with the other small triangles, and the big one with the big ones. Okay? Are these shapes the same? You betcha, they're the same shape. They're the short, flat rectangles. We'll put them with the rest of them. We'll put them with the rest of them all lined up. Which shape is this one? It's a semicircle. Good job. It's a semicircle. And what shape is this one? It's a small cylinder. A small cylinder. Good job, Jupiter. Okay, really quick, let's count all the different shapes. Okay, let's see how many there is of each one. How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cubes. 18 cubes. How many arches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 arches. 4 arches. How many small cylinders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 small cylinders. How many tall cylinders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. How many triangles, small triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Jupiter, 4. How many big triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Good job, Jupiter. Okay, how many short rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 short rectangles. How many semicircles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many long flat rectangles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 short flat rectangles, or long flat rectangles, long flat rectangles. We have 8 of those. How many square pillars do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 square pillars. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed sorting by the shapes, Jupiter. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.